2021, Plato's Tornado, I had to act, and yeah, I didn't really want to act, but I acted. But that it was good because I got that experience, and then also we had Stan Brua, the cinematographer, with us the entire time this time. Not in person, but we had like a little tripod with the phone that he was on a Zoom meeting with us, so we called it the stand. So it was just having this like sit on set with because I was the actor, just listening to Stan talk about just a different approach that we should take, and lighting, and then observing what they're doing was really good. I think by listening to all of what he was saying made me want to do cinematography even more, and not acting, but
Oh, hello, Ralph. Hello. Did I hear correctly? Did you recently ride in on another fiery chariot?
Oh, yes, I did.
Really?
I think that was supposed to be my outro. It was very interesting.
Wow.
I had leaf blowers blowing in my face, and I had to shake a purse around. It was a lot of fun.
That sounds awesome. Wow. Damn, a man purse? A man purse. Oh, okay. Interesting. Not the man purse of infinite power.
No, that's over there somewhere.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can I ask what you're doing, Michael?
I'm trying to record music for the film.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
So you're composing music on the spot?
I was before. I'm not trying to remember what I wrote.
Oh, very nice.
Play it.
Nice.
I think we got it though.
Very good. Hey, thank you for your dedication, sir. Oh, but you play St. Peter.
Yes.
How does it feel to play St. Peter?
I feel like I'm not the right voice for that, but I think it worked.
Any wise or sage words to give to our audience? You being in the place of the first pontiff.
Any parting words? One thing that does occur to me.
Play more piano.
Very nice. Thank you very much, Peter.
It's like eat your vegetables, stay in school, and create more culture than you consume. Do that.
Thank you for those
And
sage
remember,
words.
you're created for a purpose.
A purpose?
Yes, a purpose.